Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to create text template resource in Salesforce Record Trigger Flow. So in the last session I have talked about creating a flow that invokes a predictive model as an action, and based on that we are just updating one of the field in the animal object like adoption rate, which is a description field in that animal object. So I am updating that adoption rate field with the value, with the response from that action. So in here my action name is predict adoption action, and based on that action response I am just updating that field value adoption rate. Now instead of providing this value this prediction value from that action directly into this field mapping, I'll be just creating a text template uh, to uh, to get that information. So now I'll before creating the text template, I am just showing like how we can just see the predicted outcome value whenever we are just creating a new animal. Like if I am just creating an animal like Jack and providing the date of birth like this one, and the age will be calculated automatically. That is a formula field based on that date of birth provided, and I am just providing some random values. And let me choose the species dog, bred Labrador, male, health status healthy, and let me just click on save. And since that flow runs in the asynchronous path, we just need to just refresh the page. Then we can see that um, adoption rate value. So let me just refresh this record page, and we can see that this adoption rate got populated automatically through that flow. Right, so this is how this flow works actually. Now let me just update this flow with the help of the text template. So from the tool manager, I'll be just creating a new resource. So I'll be just click on this new resource, and from the resource type I'll be selecting this text template, and I'm just providing that text template name as prediction outcome. And in here we have two options in the body. So body basically we can just use a plain text for send email action. Some custom actions may also expect plain text. So in here we have two options like view as rich text or view as plain text. In the view as rich text, we can just customize our font, like making it bold, italics, underline. And before that, let me just talk about little bit like for text template. So text template basically, as we saw, like this is a resource type and which is about to create dynamic text for various purposes, such as the body of an email, a message on a screen element, or a custom error message. It allows you to combine static text with variables, field values, and other resources, and it can be formatted as plain text or rich text. So now I'll be just searching for our resource. Like this is our action name, output from the predict adoption action, and I'll be choosing that, and I'll be just choose this prediction. So this is how we can just insert a resource in the text template body, and now we can just use this text template directly in the flow, canvas. Anywhere we can just use these text templates as a variable. So let me just reselect this one. We want just plain text, so let me just choose this prediction, and we are good to go. Let me just click on done, and in here directly putting the value in the field mapping. Instead I'll be just using this text template. So in the search field we can see that under text template we can find this prediction outcome. I'll be choosing that one, and I'll be just save the flow. Before activating the flow, let me just debug it quickly, and I'll be just selecting the debug run path as run asynchronously, and it's for created, and let me choose one of the animal, and I'll be just keep the start condition, and let me just run this flow. and we can see that the flow got triggered successfully as well. And in the update we can see that uh, this prediction outcome variable text template variable is also getting populated with this value. So this is how we can understand our flow is working as expected. And let me just activate this flow, and our flow got activated. This is the version 2 of the flow. And let me just create a new animal, and I am just providing some random value like hero as the animal name, and providing the date of birth as this, color white, species dog, is status healthy. And let me just save, and let me just refresh this page, and we can see that this adoption rate is getting populated properly. So this is how we can just use this text template in flows. So this is a very important use case for text template, as this text template will be very helpful for creating dynamic email body as well. There are a lot of use cases I'll be discussing in future session. So this could be treated as a part one of the text template. And uh, so that's all for today's demo. So I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and Omni Studio as well as data cloud topics. So please stay tuned. Please, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.